disappointment. Please, nobody do that. Oh, heck no. I'm not smart. All of it. All of it. Like, all of it. Oh, hell nah. Somebody sneezed out here in my neighborhood. What did I tell you? I told you it worked. I really don't know. This is Vlogmas Day 11.
The most famous reindeer of all. Charles. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 11. Hi, which tree do I get? That's Vlogmas Day 11.
I think that's what
This is going in my... Okay. Bye. Don't lock me, don't lock me. Ho, ho, ho. To all the hoes. I'm gonna take this tree in my room and I'm gonna decorate it. She said, oh, I think I broke it.
Oh, it's a two-piece.
Why didn't you say nothing? Did you say, did I ask? No, obviously not. Okay, grab it from the middle. Oh, this is heavy. I didn't think this through. I need help. I want everything. I am struggling immensely right now. I don't know. Should it go right there?
The door's gonna be hitting it.
Ooh, wait. Brianna's smart. I can put it right here. Does that look weird, Mom? No, it doesn't. Thumbnail. Oh! Ma, where are the ornaments? I need them now.
ornaments are up there.
All of them? Can I take some from the tree? Even the little ones? I am not that tall. I do not reach there. I think you're super tall. Papi Chula! Can you help me? I like your blanket. I'm gonna go super fast.
¿Qué quieres?
Can you get me the ornaments from up?
No, right now.
Oh!
Later.
Later. Oh, I guess this will have to wait until
Later.
You're gonna do it? Mami Chula.
Oh, this is horrible.
Now time for me to go to work. When I get back from work, hopefully I can finish decorating it. My mom's gonna put the strings on the little balls because they don't have any. I need to leave. Bye. What's up, y'all? Oh, it looks so bad. I literally have not gotten ready all day.
Somebody needs to tell her.
Y'all want to see my fit? I'm like halfway ready for work. These are my mom's Uggs. I've been wearing them and low-key I want Uggs now. Y'all see this? It just has one. But we're gonna put all of that right here. I'm so tired. Like, I've been trying to pick up my anatomy grade and it's at a 79%. Can y'all believe that? So I have these ornaments that my mother gave me. She put a string over some of them, so I'm just gonna hang them. I really want to put lights. Hashtag if anybody wants to come out in my tree, like if you guys want a picture of yourself on my tree, just like send me a pic and I'll print it out. I'm just kidding. Please nobody do that. I'm just gonna hang them. Like, I'm about to go to work in like 20 minutes and I still have to eat and get ready, so if I'm late, it's your fault. Right now I'm just gonna put the ornaments and then later on I really should have found the lights to put on.
Oh well.
I'm just running out of video ideas. Also, I didn't post Vlogmas Day 10.
I couldn't.
I was filming Vlogmas Day 12. I'm gonna do it today when I go to work. So I'm posting 2 videos in one day. I'm not gonna be able to post 2 videos in one day.
I'm so behind on Vlogmas.
With finals and everything, I'm low-key.
I feel like I'm dead.
I don't even know how I'm placing. Why is there more blue than... Bro, my tree looks
Like the ghetto.
mentally drained. I'm hungry too. It's life, I guess. Christmas is in like 2 weeks. I don't have like half of the people on my list. If you don't get a gift from me, I'm sorry. I need to go Christmas shopping for like the 4th time this week. I don't want to go to work today. Should I call out? I won't call out. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I'm just winging it. Okay, I'm done. That's all I'm doing. Amazing. There's like a huge gap right there. But amazing. What's up, y'all? I'm decorating my Christmas tree again.
Did you post it on Facebook, Bri?
No. I'm taking out the batteries from my other lights so I can put these bad boys on my Christmas tree. They light up. It's golden. Look at this beauty. This thing doesn't work. Are you kidding me? I'm talking to myself because this thing doesn't light up. No wonder Stevie gave them to me. None of them work. I'm pretty sure I did. Ma, can you help?
This is such a disappointment.
Just like everything else.
You should put the other one.
It was a disappointment after all. I'm just gonna put the garland around the tree and then I'm gonna put my fairy lights on the tree so it can light up. And by the way, don't go get these at the 99-cent store. Isn't that where he got it from? I need sleep. Mother dearest. No wonder Stevie gave them to me though.
Brianna, don't put them in. Be thankful.
For giving me lights that don't work? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. You think I'm cute?
No.
You don't think I'm cute?
You're a monster.
I'm a monster.
Rawr.
Time to put the garland on the tree. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Ew, look at this tree.
Look at this tree. I got this. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be. Oops. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty good. That's how it looks like. We're gonna put these on. My tree looks very festive.
Oh, the weather out.
Things I did. That. Time for the next fairy light. Don't tell me these don't turn on either.
Watch me get electrocuted.
They don't work. So it turns out my light doesn't work. Ah, look at the tree though. I'm so mad.
God, why doesn't it work?
Hold up. I will make it work. The control doesn't even work anymore either. I literally fixed this in the summer. She's back again. I did it. Look. Look, I can turn it off.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go.
I think I cut my finger. Oh, I cut myself. I don't even know what's the new battery anymore. Because in the other one, it didn't work either. So probably these were. I secured the batteries, but I don't know which ones. I told you they were. Bro, somebody give me an award. So it turns out it was my batteries and not what Stevie gave me that was wrong.
This is so humiliating!
How embarrassing. I am a genius. I untangled it. Trying to put it on the Christmas tree.
Sad is frightful.
Bro, this is so pretty.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
I can put it up brighter or lower it. Then candle. And then I can put timer. Ma, look at it. Oh, I didn't find a star.
Yeah.
My camera's gonna die.
And since we've no place to go.
Not me taking a thumbnail. I need to charge my camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 11, and I'll see you guys next time. So bye on Vlogmas. I'ma catch up. Y'all like my tree? Yes, ma? Bye, guys.